What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to undo a change in the Claude code if you're using the get. So this is the get menu, this is the Claude code opened up. I'm going to perform an action and then I will ask it to undo it. So I'm going to start typing here. Multiply number 7 by 1987, and of course I will do this, so it will give me the answer like this. So this is the output. Add in the result. Now I want to rewind, I want to undo this. So what I will do is to use the slash command and then type in rewind. So it will ask me restore the code or the conversation to the point before current or multiply a number by this one. So I'm going to go ahead and restore the conversation and you will see that we are still here. So this is how you guys can undo a command, simple and basic way. Take care. Bye bye.